Hello YouTubers, today we're going to do an unboxing video and we are going to be unboxing, you guessed it, a banana. This is no ordinary banana though, this is a mutant triple banana. If you have a look, there's two there and there's one around the other side there, and they all seem to be joined in to the one stalk. So possibly three bananas in that. Some of you might think it's a bit overripe as well, but they are delicious like this. So to start, I'm going to go a small cut in the top here because these stalks don't always break as they should. Make a small cut and we'll peel the skin back and see just how many bananas there are inside. Oh yes. One banana. Two bananas. Bit broken. Three bananas. Wow, 2.5 bananas. Delicious.